internals. So you'll note down the question, Praveen.
Yes, ma'am.
Negotiable Instruments Act.
Next, ma'am.
2013, Negotiable Instruments Act 2013. Definition and features. Next, types of negotiable instruments.
Yes, ma'am.
Third, parties to negotiable instrument and methods of negotiation. Parties to negotiable instrument and methods of negotiation.
Ma'am, separate question or a single question?
These are same parties to negotiable
Okay, ma'am.
instruments and methods. Fourth one, what is endorsement? Explain its features. Next, what are the different kinds of endorsement?
Next, ma'am.
Okay, you put what are the different kinds of endorsement. Okay. Next, negotiation by unauthorized parties. Negotiation by unauthorized parties. Next, dishonor and discharge of negotiable instrument.
Ma'am.
சொல்லுமா. Yeah.
Ma'am, கடைசி என்ன சொன்னீங்க ma'am? Dishonor and?
Dishonor and discharge of negotiable instruments.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now where you have mentioned types of negotiable instruments, in continuation to that, add this, Praveen.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, types of negotiable instrument here. There are three divisions: check, bill of exchange, and promissory note. So each one you will give it to a different person.
Okay, ma'am. Check. What order, ma'am? Check.
Check, promissory note,
Okay, ma'am.
and bill of exchange. Okay, so types of negotiable instruments, these three are the types. I want them to explain the features of all the, at least one of them will do, one of them will be do for the check, explain what a check is, and this is bill of exchange and a promissory note. Got it?
Ma'am, repeat once again, ma'am.
See, types of negotiable instruments, there are three types: check, promissory note, and bill of exchange. So when you divide among the students, check and its features, give it to one person. And similarly, promissory notes and its features, bill of exchange and its features and parties involved. So
Got it.
anything about, so you've got in all, how many questions are there? Just divide this accordingly. How will you do?
Ma'am, total number of active students divided by question, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'll start from the roll number wise or random wise, ma'am.
However you feel is comfortable,
Okay,
ma.
ma'am.
Okay, I'll
Okay.
leave it to you. You
Sure, ma'am.
decide, but I want all of them to cover these topics. That is the main agenda.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay, so whether those who are actively there in the classroom, just give them, assign them accordingly so that we cover up. Next, you just leave it to the others, you take it accordingly. I
Sure.
hardly see 30 or 35 students in the class. Everyone has got to do because internals will be based on this only. But since that we complete with everything, see that one of them who is there in the class who is actively participating is given this. That's all.
Okay.
You will put it in the classroom, or how is it you will tell them?
Ma'am, in group, I'll create an Excel and getting.
குரூப்ல எல்லாம் போடாதம்மா, கிளாஸ் ரூம்லயே எனக்கு கொடுத்துட்றியா, நான் கிளாஸ் ரூம்ல போட்டுடுறேன்.
ஓகே மேம், நான் எக்ஸல் உங்களுக்கு கொடுத்துட்றேன், நீங்கள்
ஆ,
போட்டுருங்க. ஓகே மேம்.
வாட்ஸ்அப்ல எனக்கு கொடுத்துடு. I'll just
கண்டிப்பாக
forward
மேம்.
it in the classroom
ஓகே
so
மேம்.
that it's easy. Everyone in the mood of doing something, or you want me to wind up the class? If you are in mood of doing something, I'll tell you something which we can discuss.
Any case study, ma'am?
I don't have a case study, but I just have a topic for discussion which is related to psychology. Okay, I'll just read this. Express your opinions, whoever is free to express it. I'll give time for each one of them. Is it wrong that I would rather have guys in my team? I'll repeat. Is it wrong that I would rather have guys in my team? So this, what does the sentence say about, and give your comments about it. Is it good that I have only the same gender of which I am? It's just guys you are mentioning, but it is same that I have the same gender or as of mine, or is it good that I have a mixture? How do you feel comfortable? Express just what is your opinion. Everyone has got it.
Ma'am, Adit, rising hands.
It is basically telling that, yeah, if I work in a group, I would be comfortable if all of them are of my own gender. Like if I am a male, it is all that if I have male, I would be comfortable with them. So you'll have to comment whether it's correct or not.
Ma'am, it's half true, half wrong. Like how, in the sense that when guys work with guys, it's like they have a better bonding and they are able to work well. Like there's a comfort zone which guys have with guys and girls have with their girls. So what happens when it's a mixed group? What happens is that you get to learn a lot of things that how you have to adjust and talk to a different gender. Suppose a girl has to speak to a guy, she knows how to, she has to learn how to speak to a guy, because it's different when guys and girls are around. It becomes a little more uncomfortable, but at the same time you get to learn a lot more things
Good
when it's
start.
mixed.
Good start. Very good, ma. You wanted to add something more? Okay, others. I'm not going to ask each one of you. Whoever is free to ask and free to express your views can express. No pinpointing anyone today. But please talk, students. If you don't discuss or don't talk, how is it that you're going to come up? It's very important that you communicate. Even if it's in your own language, you're not comfortable in English, you can talk in Tamil also. I don't mind.